Ngayong nakakulong yung buong pamilya sa bahay, hindi lang breakfast, lunch, dinner ang pinoproblema natin, pati na rin yung merienda kasi naghahanap tayo ng mapapapak every now and then. Kaya itong recipe para sa inyo.
Simpol, luto na,
So, gagawa tayo ng chili con carne. So, parang ito yung base na to. Ang dami nating pwedeng paggamitan. Isang base, pwede natin i-topping sa rice kung gusto nating ulam. Pero pwede din siya i-partner sa nachos. Pwede din natin ilagay sa ating hot dogs for chili dogs. Pwede din natin ilagay siya over pasta and all that. So, we can make a big batch of this and just put it aside. So, sisimulan natin. It's so easy to do. Gamit ang ating usual suspects in the bahay. So, konting oil, saute our onions and garlic. Then, meron tayong ground beef kasi ito yung meron ako dito from Fresh Options. Yan, saute. Spread it out. So, yung ginagawa natin dito, tinutoast natin yung ating giniling, no? Para hindi natin masyadong minimix-mix. After ma-mix natin ng konti, ipa-flatten natin and allow it na mag-brown yung ilalim kasi nagdadagdag siya ng flavor. So, once our ground meat is already sauteed properly, lalagyan na natin yung ating spaghetti sauce. So, spaghetti sauce yung gamit natin dito. Meron kasing smaller packs, mga 250 grams. Yun ang gamit natin. Lalagyan natin yung ating spaghetti sauce. And because it's chili con carne, we want it to be a bit spicy. So, ano yung gamit nating pangpa-spice? Gagamit tayo ng banana ketchup na hot and spicy. Hindi siya tamis anghang, but hot and spicy. So, ito yung pangpa-anghang natin. And also gives it a very nice color. And if you have, kung meron lang naman sa bahay, you can add here fresh herbs. I'm just using a little bit of dried basil kasi yun ang meron ako sa kusina. We can add a little bit of water. Even dilute it a little bit. Dagdagan mo ng konting chicken stock. And it can be a chili soup. So, pwede sobrang daming pwedeng gawin ito. And you can freeze this. So, yung ginagawa ng lola ko, she used to make chili con carne. But, what she do, she'd make a lot. She'll add a little bit of chorizo bilbao into the mix. Then, to add the beans, gagamit na tayo ng very easy canned pork and beans. Huwag na nating mahirapan yung sarili natin. Convenience products yung gamit natin. And we just season a little bit with cracked black pepper. It may not be authentic, but it's good enough. Especially ngayon, di ba? Medyo mahirap to get the stuff that we want for our recipes. This will do. So let it simmer para the flavors will melt together and the meat will, become more tender and the beans a bit mushy, a little bit mushy. And for saltiness, yung gagawin natin, konting patis. Instead of just using regular salt, you add patis instead for more complexity. Hindi lang just alat, pero magdagdag din siya ng dinamnam. Just a little bit. So we mash a little bit of the beans, so hindi bubu yung beans natin. And when our chili con carne is thick enough to be a dip, it's done. So we can have chili dogs, we can have pasta, or we can have fries along with our chili con carne. So look at that, very versatile. So look at that, konting giniling, pork and beans, and our Filipino style sweet spaghetti sauce, and our hot and spicy banana ketchup. We already have a very exciting Mexican experience at home. So do this, ating chili con carne, Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.